guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am so excited to be bringing you a challenge that I got invited by Mom Does Life Handmade to co-host with. It is her useful DIY challenge that she hosts every month. This month she had invited me to co-host with her and I could not be more excited. I have been following Mom for over a year, well over a year now. I love her content. She does great DIYs, lots of sewing. She has an amazing writing, penmanship, does a great job with the freehand drawing, painting, and I just love everything about her. Theme for this month is a repurposed glass DIY. And we asked you that you find a glass, whether that's a bottle, a vase, a bowl, and you repurpose it. So make sure there are a few rules. So make sure you use useful DIY June 2020 in your video title. Use hashtag repurpose glass useful DIY in the description box. Show the DIY materials. You have to be subscribed to both of our channels. Mention mine and Mom's channel in the description box as well. In the description box as well as in the video. Upload your video and schedule it for June 14th at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which in my world, in Eastern Time, that will be 7:30 a.m. and I will have all of this linked down in the description box for you to refer to. Yeah, and that's it. Those are the rules. I hope that you can join us. I am looking forward to seeing what everybody creates, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I would like to thank Mom for inviting me to co-host this with her. Super excited. And I'll see you guys in my next video.